It has been accused of various unethical practices, such as child labor, forced labor, low wages, and poor working conditions. It is one of the most recognizable brands in the world. Chances are, you have owned a pair of shoes or clothing. The company has also faced lawsuits and complaints from its former employees, who accused it of having a toxic working environment. The company has been accused of using sweatshop labor in developing countries, which resulted in adverse publicity and a decrease in sales. Additionally, it has faced criticism for its environmental impact, particularly the waste produced by its manufacturing processes. Despite these issues, it remains one of the largest shoe companies in the world, with a market capitalization or net worth of $165 billion as of December 2023. This is the story of Nike, a sportswear brand with unparalleled success. This success is not by accident, but rather a result of their innovative marketing strategies, commitment to quality products, and ability to connect with the emotional bond between athletes and their gear. Interestingly, the name Nike has a history that spans over 3,000 years from Greece to Rome to an American sportswear brand. In ancient Greece, Nike was the goddess of strength, speed, and victory, making it a perfect representative of a sportswear brand. The Nike logo, known as the Swoosh, depicts movement, speed, and success as a positive checkmark. The wings of Nike, the Greek goddess of victory, inspired it. Nike was founded by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight on January 25, 1964, under Blue Ribbon Sports. The company sold 1,300 Japanese running shoes in the first year of operation, generating $8,000 in revenue. By 1966, sales had increased to $20,000. In 1966, the company opened its first retail store in Santa Monica, California, at Pico Boulevard. Due to the growing sales in 1967, the company expanded its retail and distribution operations to the East Coast in Wellesley, Massachusetts. After establishing Blue Ribbon Sports, Knight experimented with his imported shoes by initially selling them out of his car when he returned to the States. It soon became evident that there was a demand for these cheaper yet still high-quality alternatives to Adidas and Pumas, the leading brands in the market at the time. In 1965, constantly innovating, Bowerman proposed a new shoe design to Tiger Shoe Company. The design aimed to provide the necessary support for runners with a cushioned inner sole, soft sponge rubber in the forefoot and top of the heel, hard sponge rubber in the middle of the heel, and a firm rubber outsole. This design proved a significant success and a source of conflict between Blue Ribbon and its Japanese supplier. The Tiger Cortez shoe was released in 1967 and was an instant hit due to its comfortable, sturdy, and stylish design. The company started as a distributor of imported shoes, notably Onitsuka Tiger. Phil Knight was impressed by the quality of the trainers made by Onitsuka Company and saw them as a refreshing alternative to the German-dominated sneaker market. While everyone else was choosing between Puma and Adidas, Knight looked to Japan and Onitsuka Tiger for a new and premium running trainer. After some years of being the sole distributor of Onitsuka in the US, Knight and Bowerman realized that they needed to do things differently due to the increasing competition. Consequently, Blue Ribbon Sports drifted away from Onitsuka, became Nike in 1971, and prepared to launch their trainers. In 1971, Bowerman conducted experiments on rubber using his wife's waffle iron. He wanted to create a new sole for track shoes that would be lightweight, increase the runner's speed, and provide a good grip on an artificial surface. Oregon's Hayward Field was transitioning to an artificial surface, and Bowerman wanted a sole that could grip grass or bark dust without using spikes. In 1972, Bowerman's design paved the way for the moon shoe. Its waffle tread pattern resembled the footprints left by astronauts on the moon. After continuous improvements, the waffle trainer was introduced in 1974. This shoe played a significant role in the rapid expansion of Nike. In 1976, Nike expanded its operations and hired John Brown & Partners, an advertising company based in Seattle, to help it achieve its goal. A year later, the agency created Nike's first brand ad, "There is no finish line." The ad didn't feature any close-up shots of Nike shoes, but it was very successful and helped the brand gain more exposure. By 1980, Nike had an astonishing 50% share of the U.S. athletic shoe market, and later that year, the company went public. Since then, Nike has continued to grow, partly thanks to its clever ad campaigns, including the famous 1988 Just Do It campaign. One of the reasons behind Nike's success is its ability to deliver high-quality products that align with its brand values consistently. Nike's advertising efforts have set a high standard for the industry, focusing on innovation and inspiring athletes to reach their full potential. The iconic Just Do It campaign significantly propelled Nike's growth in the shoe industry in North America. Within a decade, sales skyrocketed from $877 million to $9.2 billion. This slogan and campaign became synonymous with the Nike brand, encouraging athletes and everyday people to push themselves to achieve their goals. Another critical factor in the company's success is its celebrity endorsements. They made a smart move by signing big names like Tiger Woods, Kobe Bryant, and LeBron James early in their careers. Regarding Nike, it's impossible not to mention the legendary Michael Jordan. On October 26, 1984, Jordan signed a 5-year, US $2.5 million deal with Nike, 3 times more than any other deal in the National Basketball Association, NBA. Nike then launched the Air Jordan sneaker line in April 1985, generating $3 million in the first 3 years. While Michael Jordan has a minority stake in Nike, he doesn't receive his royalties in stock. This is because Jordan's royalties are based on the sales of the Jordan brand, which is a separate entity from Nike. Instead of a fixed amount, Jordan gets a 5% royalty on Jordan brand earnings, which has helped him amass a net worth of $2 billion. Nike's partnership with Tiger Woods is considered one of the most iconic deals in sports history. Tiger's contract was initially worth $40 million over 5 years, the most prominent golf endorsement deal. However, Nike paid him over $500 million during their partnership. LeBron James' first Nike deal was a 7-year contract worth $90 million, signed in 2003. This contract marked the beginning of a long-standing partnership between LeBron and Nike, which eventually led to a groundbreaking lifetime deal rumored to be around $500 million. The rise of Nike can be attributed to a perfect blend of strategic decision-making, cutting-edge marketing campaigns, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. With its iconic Swoosh logo and captivating tagline, "Just Do It," Nike has managed to capture the essence of the human spirit and transform it into a powerful brand identity that resonates with individuals from all walks of life. Nike has established contracts with over 700 shops across the globe and has offices situated in 45 countries outside of the United States. The Nike brand represents victory. Their journey to success is a remarkable example of determination, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence. Their story is like a thrilling race to the finish line, leaving us motivated and eager for more. That was our story about Nike. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you.